Within Miro, we built up a space system with different planets, and every planet symbolized a different topic or technology that we wanted to explore together with our customer. So for everyone who participated in the workshop, we created an astronaut. They were able to brand it with stickers. That was kind of the icebreaker and the warm-up, and it really personalized the whole experience. And then we went together on exploration. We departed from this planet that we are on right now, and this really helps to help the customer get in this headspace of disconnecting from regulations, from laws, from time, from space, and really go into these different worlds that they could see in Miro and fly over there to explore these new topics and have an open mind to discuss how this might impact their business in the future. Using Miro as this innovation space and drawing up these potentially new worlds and transporting our customers into a different environment really helps them to connect and be more creative also.